So I'll click on this Office 365 sign up link, and it takes me to the Office 365 portal. So it will take me on this page where it says whether I want to use it for personal use or I want to go for work or school account. I'll select the work or school account and I'll sign in for Microsoft 365. Now I'll select the subscription type as any of these, whether business or enterprise. So in this current case, I'll go for enterprise. Let me pick the subscription from here. So in this case, let's go with Microsoft 365 E3. I'll click on try free for 1 month. It asks me to put my work or email address, so I can just put my personal email address over here and we'll hit next. I'll click on set up account. Now let me put my basic details over here that it's asking for. I'll put my phone number over here, and I can name my company as Easy 365 Learning. Let me select the company size as 1000 plus people, and the country or region I can go with United States for now. Now it's asking to verify. This is a security check where it will text on me on this phone number. So let me select the correct country code. That's gonna be India in this case. And I'll click on send verification code. I should receive a verification code on my mobile phone number. So once I receive it, I'll just put it here. Yes, I received the code. I'll click on verify. So this is the username that I have received. It's Sunil Raina at easy365learning.onmicrosoft.com. So I'll just click on save and I'll put the password for this account. And we'll hit next. So right now it's creating an account for me. And this particular account will act as an admin account in Office 365. So it can take few minutes from here. Okay, fine. So it's showing me Microsoft 365 E3 trial. Now it asks me to add a payment method. So let me just add my payment method now. So I'll add my payment method, and for that period, I'll just pause my screen. Thank you. Once I put the payment details in, I just hit submit, and now it takes me right to the Office 365 billing account detail page where you can see my name, my email address, phone number, and other details. If I go to the active users over here, so you should see only one account with the name Sunil Rana, and you will also find this account as the global administrator account. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you have any questions or queries, please put them there in the comment section and I'll be more glad to reply.